Are you facing difficulties accessing recent journals on Sci-Hub, especially those published in 2022 and 2023? In this video, I will show you how to access these recent journal articles from Sci-Hub. Follow my tutorial to access the journal you want. Hopefully, you will find what you're looking for. If you encounter any difficulties, paste the journal link in the comment box below along with your email. I'll do my best to assist you in accessing the journal. Your academic pursuit is important, and I'm here to support you in accessing the latest research material you need. Before we begin, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. To access recent journals, we have to visit the official website of the Sci-Hub Mutual Aid community, and I will show you how to register in the website and use it to access the recent journals with example. 1. First of all, we need to open the link of Sci-Hub Mutual Aid Community. The link is on the description below, or search for Sci-Hub Mutual Aid directly on Google. I searched on Google as shown here. 2. After entering the community, please click Register in the upper right corner and fill in your account number, password, email address, and verification code, and then click Submit to complete the registration. After registration, you will get 50 points, and then you can get 20 points every day through the check-in button. Three. Next, we click Post for help. Then, we will copy the DOI number of the required document, then paste it into the box and click Quick Search. It will automatically generate the relevant information of the literature. You only need to check whether the information is correct and then select the type of article you need, such as journal articles. If the type is not correct, admins have the right to close this post. If you don't want to receive notification emails, you can uncheck Email Alert, but it only use it to notify you that someone has uploaded the file you requested. Finally, click New Reward, and the release will be successful. Four. If you need the article urgently, you can select Set Top in the middle of the page to set the article to the top. It should be noted that this operation needs to consume more points. Five. Then, you patiently wait for users to help you find the article and upload it to you. If you have checked that the article is correct, then you must remember to adopt it in time. If the article is wrong after checking, you can also click Report to tell the situation to the administrators. The administrator will review and delete the wrong file. Six. If you have obtained articles from other channels, you can close this request by clicking the Close button, and the points will be returned to your account. But if someone has already uploaded the correct file, you should pay points for it, regardless of whether you got the article from another source. 7. After you publish a post, if someone uploads a file for you, but you do not have time to download or accept it, the system will automatically accept the file after 3 days and issue credits to the uploader normally. 5 days after publishing the post, if no one has helped you find the file and uploaded it to you, then the post will automatically be turned into a closed status and credits will be refunded. In the closed state, the post will not be responded to. You can post a new request and add more information so that the uploader can help you find the file you need more quickly. I've created this account for demonstration purposes to show you how to create Sci-Hub Mutual Aid Community account. Next, I'll switch to my alternate account and share with you the papers I accessed following the procedures we discussed earlier. First, let me show you My Posts. To see my posts, let's go to Contents section at the top right corner. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose My Posts. As it is shown here, these are all my posts for the past 1 week. Now, I'll showcase the journal articles I've acquired. To view them, we'll navigate back to the Contents section and select the Notice section from the drop-down menu. Although some of my queries were repeated, I successfully received answers to all of them. As you can see, these journals comprise the latest articles published in 2022 and 2023. Another important aspect is the response time, which may range from 10 to 20 minutes or possibly longer. For instance, one of my requests received a response after 16 minutes. Therefore, it's advisable to check your Sci-Hub Mutual Aid Community account regularly, similar to how you check your email. Keep in mind that email confirmations may not always be received. That's all for today. If you have any queries, please drop them in the comments section below. If there's a specific paper you wish to access, kindly provide the title and your email in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.